To add a new Google My Business page, click on the Add button from the left side nav and choose Add Profile. Choose the group that you want to add your profile to and select the Google My Business icon. Click on Add My Business. Your GMB account is linked to your Gmail account, so if you're not already logged in the same browser, log in and provide with the required authorizations. You will then be redirected to the next page where it shows available pages to add. Just click on Add Channel and you're done. To verify, navigate to Groups and Profiles and open the group where you had added the GMB page. You can also remove a profile or a page from the same place.